Here I have Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a PIN code for the SIM card on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the biometrics and security section, then go to the other security settings, set up SIM card lock, and here you have to enable this feature, lock SIM card. Then you have to enter your PIN and lock will be enabled. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.